In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book connecting rooms using Expedia. This is a great tip for those traveling with family or in groups who want the convenience of staying close together. Whether you're planning a vacation or a business trip, knowing how to book these connecting rooms can make your stay much more enjoyable. Let's start by heading over to the Expedia website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Expedia in the search bar. Once you're on the Expedia homepage, you'll see various options for booking flights, hotels, car rentals, and more. Since we're focusing on booking rooms, click on the Stays tab. This is where you'll find accommodations tailored to your needs. Now we're going to proceed with booking your desired stay. Start by entering the necessary information such as your destination, check-in and check-out dates, and the number of guests. Be as specific as possible to ensure you get the best options for your trip. After entering your details, you'll be presented with a list of accommodation options. Take your time to browse through the options and find a hotel that fits your preferences and budget. Once you've settled on a hotel, it's time to choose your room. You'll be taken to a page where you can see different room types available at the hotel. It's important to note here that hotels have different room configurations, so look for the option that suits your needs. When you've found a room that meets your requirements, you'll notice an option labeled Choose Your Room. Go ahead and click on this. The key step here is to add another room, which is essential if you're looking for connecting rooms. Look for the option that says Add Another Room and select it. This will allow you to choose an additional room, ensuring your group can stay together. Connecting rooms are not always guaranteed, so at this point, it's a good idea to contact the hotel directly. You may find the hotel's contact information on the booking page, or you can search for it online. Reach out to the hotel and communicate your request for connecting rooms. This step is important because while Expedia allows the booking of multiple rooms, confirming availability directly with the hotel gives you added assurance. With your booking details finalized and your request for connecting rooms made, you're just about done. Review your reservation details to ensure everything is in order before completing the booking. It's always a good practice to double-check your information, ensuring that your travel dates and guest information are correct. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll successfully book connecting rooms through Expedia, making your group travel experience much more convenient and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and booking hacks. Safe travels!